Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure firmware is current and Razer Synapse 3 is installed. Plug the Huntsman Mini into a stable USB port and open Synapse. Select your keyboard from the devices list. Once connected, check for firmware or profile prompts and accept updates. You do this now so color changes apply correctly and persist. If Synapse asks to import profiles, choose either default or a new profile to avoid overriding custom setups. This prepares the keyboard for direct RGB editing and prevents lost settings. Once in the lighting area, open Chroma Studio for layer-based control or use the Simpler Effects tab for quick changes. Create a new layer, select keys or zones, then pick colors with the color picker. Adjust brightness and transition speed to taste. For dynamic effects, set direction and timing so animations align with usage. Make sure layer order is logical. Higher layers override lower ones. Save the profile frequently so you can revert if a combination looks off on the hardware. After adjusting colors, save the profile and sync it to the cloud so settings persist across machines. Assign the profile to the keyboard's hardware if Synapse supports onboard storage. Then test by unplugging and replugging the device. If colors revert or fail to apply, reinstall Synapse and re-login, update firmware again, or perform a keyboard factory reset. This often clears corrupted profiles. If problems continue, try a different USB port or cable. Hardware issues can mimic software failures and require those checks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.